Hello everyone, thanks for stopping by the Camping Family channel. Thought I would do a little quick unboxing of the RV dual water filter system. This is model number BL113 off of Amazon. As you can see here, it is dual cartridge. It comes with this is the 5 micron filter, which filters out sand, dirt, or silt. And the other filter is the 0.5 micron filter. This filters out particles such as chemical, chlorine, bacteria, cyst, and other small contaminants. And I can tell you this filter is heavier than the other. You also get some accessories. You get another set of O-rings. You also get a set of O-rings for your hose. You also get a filter tightening tool or loosening tool, and a set of instructions. I'll get a little closer there in case you'd like to see. Easy to set up. They do ask that you do a quick wash in some warm water with soap on the filter cartridges just to clean them out. And easy to hook up. Everything's labeled up here clearly. You have your in and out. Cartridges come off easy. Easy removal. Trying to do this one hand. Cartridge here. This is the 10-inch cartridge. Yep. Easy off, easy on. And here you go. Mounting attachments easily mount to the back for a screw or a hook. This is a well-built unit. So again, this is the Beach Lane RV dual water filter BL113. We'll be using that this year instead of the inlines. All right. Thanks everyone for stopping by. See you on the next one.